select replace bracket open single quotes 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 hello 1 2 3 say 1 2 4 3 and 4 single quotes close comma replace all 1 2 3 with x y z single quotes close bracket close from dual semicolon. So what happens is that when I press enter, it has replaced 1 2 3 with x y z. So here is 1 2 3 x y z. Okay, here is 1 2 3 x y z. Hello, then x y z and 4. So say x y z, 4 is there in between, then 1 2 3. So again x y z. Hello, then x y z, because there is 1 2 3. Okay, so this is the way how you replace a particular information with another information. Okay, now suppose if I say 1 2 3 4 with dash dash dash, enter. So you'll find 1 2 3 4 and it's replaced with 1 2 3. That means a 1 2 3 dashes. Then it has 1 2 3. It does not replace this thing because it is not 1 2 3 4, right? It is 1 2 3 only. Then hello, then we have 1 2 3 4. So again it has put dash. Okay, next if I say, if I don't put anything, replace with nothing, in that case 1 2 3 4 has been replaced with nothing, so nothing has been written here. Then 1 2 3 has been printed as it is. Again hello, again 1 2 3 4, this has been replaced with nothing, so blank. Nothing means nothing, so 1 2 3 hello 1 2 3, right? Now if I say 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5, replace 0 0 0, replace 0, then all the zeros are removed. 1 2 3, all the zeros are removed and left with only the figures. Let's take another example, and if I put a 0 in between, press enter. Again same thing, just removed all the zeros. Okay, again left with 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So if I replace 0 with x, so all the zeros are replaced with x. But if I say replace all zeros with xy, then it has replaced all zeros with xy, xy, xy. Okay, 1 0 is equivalent to xy. If I say dash, replace zeros with dash, then dash dash dash. Okay, 12 dash 3 4 5, because wherever it finds 0, it replaces with dash. Now let's do with EMP table. select star from EMP semicolon. Okay. Now here I'll try to replace in ename, say replace bracket open ename. In ename we replace all O, okay, with blank from 12. I put the ename also side by side so you can understand it, comma ename. So King is okay, Blake is okay, right? Here John's, see John's is J-O, O has been replaced. You can see O is not there. Again Scott, O is not there. Ford, O is not there. Okay. Then rest of the things remains the same. Right? But if I say replace all O with single quotes dash, so wherever it O is there, it just replaces with dash. Ford, C F dash RD, Scott S C dash OR TT, right? So wherever it finds O, it tries to find with replace with O. Okay. Select, translate, bracket open, single quotes 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Replace 1 2 3 4 with say A B C D, bracket close from 12, semicolon. So press enter. So wherever you find 1 should be replaced with A, 2 should be replaced with B, 3 should be replaced with C, and 4 should be replaced with D. So wherever you find A, 1, wherever you find 1 in this thing, 1, this and this will be replaced with 1 should be replaced with A. Okay, 2, this 2 and this 2 must be replaced with B. Okay, and so on. So when I say, so A B C D and phi and D C B A, so D is here, phi D means 4 has to be replaced with D. Okay, C, how C has come? Because this 3 has to be replaced with C, right? And 2 has to be replaced with B, and 1 has to be replaced with A. So DCB, ABCD, DCB. Okay, let's take another example. See, if I replace all the things with dash 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 dash, in this case 1 2 3 4, whatever one, wherever you find 1 2 3 4 has to replace with dashes. 1 has to be replaced with dash, 2 has to be replaced with dash, 3 has to be replaced with dash, 4 has to be replaced with dash. Okay, so it has printed, this is the output, dash 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 dash, and again after 5 we have 4 has to be replaced with dash, 3 replaced with dash, 2 has to be replaced with dash, 1 has to be replaced with dash, and so on. Let's say another example. If I say A B, now in this case 1 has to be replaced with A, 2 has to be replaced with A, 3 has to be replaced with B, and 4 has to be replaced with B. That means half, the half of this part, this 2 will be for A and this 2 for B, but this 2 may be in any combination, maybe 3 4 or 4 3. Okay, similarly 1 2 will be replaced with A, or 2 1 2 1, that is opposite of this. 2 and 1 will be replaced with A, half half. Okay, so let's see, A B. So 1 2 1 2, this 2 has been replaced with A, right? And 3 and 4 has been replaced with B, right? B. Now 5 is printed as it is. Again, after 5 we have 4 3 here, so it is B. You can see B, right? Again, if it is 2 1 1 2 or 2 1, okay, we will replace with A, so it is A. Let's take an example with EMP. So select ename, comma, translate, bracket open, ename, comma, and I'll say replace all the A's with 1, bracket close, from EMP, semicolon. Oh, sorry, spelling mistake, ename, right? Enter. So wherever you find A, you have to replace with 1. So Blake has been replaced with 1, A has been replaced with 1 here, right? A is not here. A. Alan, A has been replaced with 1. Martin, A has been replaced with 1. Okay. Then again Adams, 1 and 1. Say 1 and 1. Okay. James here, J1. Okay. Miller, there is no A. Okay. Now if I say A, say M has to be replaced with, say, replace with 2, press enter. So A has been replaced with 1, A has been replaced with 1, M has to be replaced. So M, this is M 2, right? M is 2. Then M has been replaced with 2, A has been replaced with 1. Okay. Again M, here A is 1, D 1, and this is 2, right? 2 and S, right? Miller, M has been replaced with 2, and there is no other words. Okay, now if I say O, not O, say L and T has to be replaced with, say, 3 and 4. Enter. So here now you'll say A has to be replaced with 1, M has to be replaced with 2, L has to be replaced with 3, and T has to be replaced with 4. So 31K means this is L is 3. Okay, L is 3, right? And A is what? A is 1. So 3 1. Again 3 1. John's, okay, Scott, T, double T. Okay, double T is double 4. So T has been replaced with 4, right? Alan, A has been replaced with 1. Double L has been replaced with 3 3. L has been replaced with 3 3, right? Martin, CT 4, and this is 2. M is 2, right? So on. So this kind of replacements you can make it in using translate. Translate just character by character. It just translates the or replaces the character with the characters what you mentioned here. A means 1, M means 2, L means 3, and T means 4, and so on. So this replaces this character with this one. Okay.